Oh, that guy? Yeah, he proper hates me because he's proper jealous. I hate you because you're a massive idiot. Well, you're a massive knob. Yeah, well, you're a massive douche and you've got no friends and everyone thinks you're a proper idiot. Before we begin, none of these words are formal. All of them are very informal. They all add emphasis to what you want to say. So yeah, if you want to sound really strong about something, or you want to say, I feel very strongly about this thing, then yes, use these words. However, if you use them in a formal conversation, you will look like a right knob. And if you use them in a business conversation, people will think you're a massive idiot. However, in casual conversations like with friends, they're great to use and they sound proper British. Let's imagine you're with a friend. It's snowing. Yeah, like that. And she wants to ask you, what's wrong? Why do you look blue? It is so cold today. You want to emphasize this a lot, right? And in a British way. So, to replace this modifier, so cold, use this word. Well cold. Again, these are very informal. Don't use them in business or formal situations. They won't like it. It is well cold today. We're just emphasizing how cold it feels. Remember, this is a modifier. It's more about your feelings about something or someone. And we very often use these to insult people. I'll show you that in a moment. Also, I am well hungry. So use well with an adjective to emphasize something's description. I'm well hungry. It's well cold today. Or if your friend sees a guy and she's like, who's that? He is well fit. Fit is a really British slang way of saying attractive, good looking, hot. You're fit. She is fit. So yeah, well with an adjective is a very British way to modify a sentence. You can also use an adjective with proper. And again, it just sounds very, very British. And again, very informal. It's not rude, it's just very informal. Like, I would use this with my friends, but I would never use it in a business meeting or any type of formal situation. What, that guy? Nah, he is proper annoying. You don't want to date that guy. Proper plus adjective. But then she goes and talks to the guy. Hi, my friend thinks you are proper annoying. Oh, that guy? Yeah, he proper hates me because he's proper jealous. So we can also use proper with a verb. We mostly just use it for verbs of emotion, like, he proper hates me. I proper love her. I proper love this pizza. Emotion verbs. Or use proper and a noun, like this. Proper twat. So to recap, proper with an adjective, good. Proper with a verb of emotion, great. Proper with a noun, amazing. But notice, there is a pattern with proper and a noun. We love to use this for insults. Like calling someone a proper twat. This is a very British way to insult someone. Proper plus a noun. Also, to insult someone with a noun, change the word proper for I hate you because you're a massive idiot. So yeah, we usually use massive and proper with a noun to insult someone. Well, you're a massive knob. Knob means penis or idiot in British slang. Yeah, well, you're a massive douche and you've got no friends and everyone thinks you're a proper idiot. Oh my God, it is proper cold right now. It's snowing. He's only wearing a t-shirt. What an utter moron. Utter with a noun. You could also use absolute moron. This one gives you a lot more emphasis because you can make the absolute moron part very long. The longer you make it, the stronger it sounds. You absolute idiot. But don't think this is just to insult a person. This can be used to talk bad about a situation, like, this was an utter waste of time. Now, I know I said all of these are informal, don't use them in formal situations. However, depending on the noun, depending on the context, you could use this in like business situations. Let's say, for example, to negotiate with someone was an utter waste of time, or meeting that person was an absolute waste of everyone's time. Yeah, you could say that and you're not going to get fired for it. No one's going to think you're an idiot. Again, it just adds emphasis to things. You can, of course, use the adverb utterly as well. That was utterly amazing. And actually, that does sound kind of formal. These, a bit less formal, but yes, they add emphasis to what you want to say. And sometimes you need that. You're wearing a t-shirt in the snow. You look like a right loser. Again, this one is so British, and again, mostly only use it to talk bad about yourself or someone else or a situation. Right plus a noun. I know, I look like a right idiot. You are proper crazy. I know, I've messed up. To mess up means to make a big mistake. But if you want to add emphasis to this sentence, which word can you add? I've messed right up. See, it just adds more emphasis. That sentence sounds stronger now. So you could use this with the expression to mess up, or the more famous expression with an F word here, which I can't say on YouTube, sorry. Now you try. In the comments, use one of those modifiers and tell me something about your day-to-day. So if you can use this in your real daily life, in your daily English conversations, that is when you remember it. That helps you learn vocabulary the natural way. So write some example that's relevant to you. Like, I saw my friend today and he did something well stupid. He looked like a right idiot. It was proper funny though. Something like that. Write it in the comments or practice with my ebook, patreon.com/papateachme. And I'll see you in the next class.